Okay, so here we are on our Quizlet now, and this is our class Quizlet. So we have our different vocab units up here now. So we have Unit 5, Unit 6, 7, and 8. So now, as you're reviewing these 4 units, instead of having to go through each unit and focusing only on each unit, you can actually click on one of them and then combine all 4 of them together, so that way you study for all 4 of them. So let's, for instance, let's just click Unit 5. Okay, so I click Unit 5, it loads, and I have my usual strategies here that we've been becoming accustomed to. We have learn, flashcards, write, spell, so on and so forth. So up here we have these other options. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this one that has 3 dots in it, and you're going to go to combine. So click combine. Okay, so we already have Unit 5 here. Okay, and then let's say I can combine all 4 of them, or if I just want to combine it with Unit 7 and Unit 6, I'm feeling pretty good about Unit 8 already, and I want to just refresh on these past 4. Okay, so I combine these 3, and then I can go ahead and decide which one of those activities I want to play. Okay, so I can, let's just say, play match. So I click go, start game, and now I have to go and play the game. So I can do that with any of these. So if I go back, it's back over here. I can play, I know everyone loves gravity, so we can go ahead and play gravity. So click get started. Easy, answer with term. Start the game. So to break the rules of a game. So what would that be? Let's see. Oh no, I don't know. What would it be? So press escape to skip. Foul. Okay. So now going into the next one. Very own. Antique, right? So those are the different ways that you can combine these terms. So there you go.